The challenge garden. The pain. Firstly, an Australian study found that nearly 35% of people living in residential care facilities are depressed. Secondly, the total cost of healthcare associated with fall injuries in older people in New South Wales in 2006 to 2007 was estimated at $558.5 million. Thirdly, dementia is expected to rise to 1 million people in Australia by 2021. Our product. The Challenge Garden delivers an indoor-outdoor interactive environment with the capability of data collection, goal measurement around activities that promote social inclusion and well-being. Our Challenge Garden has been developed to overcome key issues around physical exercise, cognitive development and social interaction for aged people. The market. There are over 2 million people in Australia who are currently supported to some extent in going about their daily living activities, including 200,000 in residential care, 100,000 in home care programs, 500,000 in disability programs, another 1 million supported by home and community care services, and others with private arrangements. These numbers are replicated internationally. Our channel to market includes residential aged care facilities, retirement villages, adult daycare centres, councils, senior citizen centres and parks, hospitals and shopping centres. The differentiation value proposition. Any customer will have a turnkey solution which allows them to customise an inexpensive, evidence-based solution that is therapeutic and fun. A bit like IKEA, modules would be available that could be combined to create a unique regenerative and re-enablement spaces tailored to the needs of a user profile. The modules would provide challenges for the 3 key areas of a person's physical, emotional and mental capacities. Extensive research and development will be conducted to develop and determine modules that deliver the greatest benefit. There is potential to integrate methodologies and software for measurement, goal setting, social media applications using wearables. We have a business revenue and financial model. $100,000 investment will allow us to further develop the garden modules and associated research over a 12-month period, whereby we will be covering our staff costs, generally by selling garden services at cost to existing aged care operators. We expect year 2 sales of 1 million sales with a $300,000 profit. The people. Challenge Garden will be delivered by a multidisciplinary team with diverse experience in various facets of aged care and startup business. Our team